So today we are breaking down the real pros and real cons of these OANDA broker and who is this broker is actually best for. Let's look into it. So OANDA is one of the oldest forex and CFD brokers in the industry. It's been around since the 90s and is known for its strong regulations, beginner-friendly platform and transparent pricing. It offers like forex trading, indices, commodities and some crypto CFDs depending on your region. So the biggest flex or advantages of these ONDA is that it has a strong regulation and trust. Is the biggest. This is the biggest strength is its credibility. It's trusted by various like leading global brands. Okay, and it's a beginner friendly platform. The platform is clean, simple, and easy to navigate, and it has good forex execution. Like it's still highly respected in the forex space. But on the downside here, you have higher costs compared to some competitors. So like the spreads are decent, but Honda isn't always the cheapest broker anymore, so keep that in mind. And they have limited product selection, so if you want access to thousands of stocks and ETFs or advanced investing products, Honda can feel a bit limited. And the platform also feels slightly outdated, especially now. Even though it's reliable, it doesn't feel as modern or polished as the newer trading apps and stuff. So if you ask me whether it's still worth using, if you're a beginner or forex trader or someone who values safety and regulations over flashy features, then yes, Honda is still a very solid choice. But if you are an advanced trader looking for absolute lowest fees, more assets, or cutting edge platforms, then there are other stronger alternatives available now in these days today.